Hello everyone, I'm Sila from the Ikato team. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Ikato chatbot with Zapier and how you can automate your work. First, let's start by logging into our Ikato account. Yes, we are logged into our account. Now I continue by pressing the Create Your Embeddable AI Tool button here. As you can see, Ikato offers you a lot of AI models, but let's create a chatbot right now, and let's call it Zapier. Our embed has been created. Right now, I need to customize this chatbot because I'm going to add a webhook and create automation. That's why I'm continuing with the customize option right now, but if I didn't need it, I could go directly through that step and take my code and embed it wherever I want and continue using my chatbot. Now I'm going to make your name Zapier right here in the settings section and make sure that it doesn't mix with my other chatbots and other embeds. Now let's move on to Zapier. I logged into Zapier and a screen like this greeted me on the dashboard. I immediately click on Create on the right side and create a news app. On my screen that opens, there is a copilot who welcomes you right now. If you want, you can write what you want here and follow the steps easily. But now that I know what to do, I immediately create a trigger event. I'm going to select webhooks from here. It's a pro feature. However, for newly registered users, Zapier offers you a 14-day trial period. During this time, you can decide whether to try and continue with Zapier. Yes, our event is open and Zapier offers me 3 options here. I choose the catch raw hook part here and continue. It gave me a URL and I copy that URL and switch to Ikato. In Ikato, I switch to the Features tab and activate the webhooks. As you can see here, an input field has been opened and I am pasting the URL I copied here. I'm opening this privacy area because I want to see it momentarily. We added our URL, but we need to activate it. Because right now, Zapier is waiting for an activation from us. We immediately preview our chatbot. I write a message to the chatbot. Yes, our chatbot responded very nicely. We immediately turn to Zapier and press the test. Let's check it out now and yes, let's see if a request has come here, my question is here and my answer has come here in a very good way. That's why I'm continuing with this record. I want to create an automation. This automation can do in a variety of ways in various apps. However, today I'm going to use Google Sheet. I've linked my Google Sheet account. I immediately choose an action. There are various actions here. And I choose this option because I wanted to create a row in the sheet. My Google account is linked and I'm moving on. I went to my Google Sheet account and I create a blank table. Let's call it Zapier. Let's add a title. Okay, everything seems to be ready for now. Let's refresh right away. And I chose my spreadsheet called Zapier. Here we select Sheet 1. And as you can see, our header came up. Here, the parameters we pulled from the webhook came in order. I'm moving on. I skip the test and I hit publish so that it goes live and this automation is now available. Successfully, our Zap went live. I'm back in my chatbot and want to ask a few more questions and test webhooks. Let's ask our classic question. Our chatbot responded quickly. Now let's check a Google Sheet and see if the webhooks have brought the answers. Yes, as you can see, I have successfully come up with both my question and answer and other parameters. Sure, but let's be sure and try one more time together. With Ado, you can create your own chatbots, personalize, and train your chatbots. With it, you can add other settings such as webhooks and create automations. Let's see if we have an answer. Yes, this question and our answer have come here successfully. Thus, we have seen how we can create automations with Zapier using Ikado's chatbots. You can use a variety of applications. For example, you can use it to send an email to your customer. You can use it to hold various keywords. Of course, the variations of these will increase, but now we have seen how to connect webhooks with you in the simplest way. You can also read this video on the Ikado AI site under the heading How to link below. Stay tuned for more. See you soon.